for ant. B for boy. C for cup. D for diamond. E for eraser. F for fish. G for girl. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for ladybug. M for mango. N for notebook. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for 12. R for rainbow. S for school. T for coffee. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for